Hi, my name is Brendan, technician here at Georgian BMW, and today we're going to be talking about brakes. Today we're going to talk about brakes, obviously a wear item, and we're going to talk about some options that could possibly save you some money. So today what we're going to do is resurface the rotor, otherwise known as machining the brakes. What we're going to do is put a new surface on the rotor, get rid of any rust or rust ridge, and we're going to be servicing the pads as well. Some of the benefits of machining a rotor: cost. You can get a second life out of your rotor. Another benefit to machining your rotors is extending life. Sometimes you can get some rust buildup on the outside edge, and we can put a new surface on there and extend the life of your brakes. So typically this is part of a bigger brake service, machining the rotor, new surface, and we're also going to take the pads and put a new surface on the pad. As you can see here, some grooves from the rust, and we're going to resurface that, so good contact on the pad with the rotor. We've resurfaced the rotor, we've sanded down all of the rust ridge, put a new protective layer of paint on there, and we're good to go. So if you have any questions about your brakes or your brake light is on, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Georgian BMW.